Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by cracking 3 eggs straight into a cold, heavy pan, no bowl necessary. You add 0.5 tablespoon butter and 0.5 tablespoon neutral oil to coat. This prevents the butter from burning and helps even cooking. You season with a small pinch of salt right away so the eggs flavor evenly. Keep the heat very low. The goal is gentle coagulation. Once the butter melts, start stirring immediately and steadily so curds begin to form without rushing the process. You keep stirring, continuous, confident movements, scraping the base and sides every few seconds so no film forms. Once the eggs start to clump, lift the pan off the heat for 10 to 15 seconds, then return it. This temperature cycling is how you get silkier curds and avoid rubbery eggs. When the curds are soft but not runny, fold in 1 teaspoon of cold butter or 1 teaspoon of creme fraiche to stop cooking and enrich texture. Make sure to taste and adjust. You transfer the eggs off heat while they still look glossy and slightly saucy. Carryover heat completes the set. Serve immediately on warm toast and finish with chopped chives, cracked pepper, or a tiny squeeze of lemon to lift the richness. If the eggs seize up and become dry, don't panic. Stir in 1 teaspoon of creme fraiche or a splash of milk off the heat to loosen them and restore silkiness. Make sure to adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.